washed and conditioned it. So now I'm gonna add some of this and also the Miracle Curling Oil, a tooth comb, a regular wide tooth comb, and just start to try to detangle it. So now that we have his hair detangled, I'm gonna part it in the middle to make blow drying easier. Let's just probably put it in the middle. Alright, so now that we have his hair detangled, I just put it down the middle to make the blow drying process easier. So now that we have his hair blow dried and detangled, I am going to take a section. Okay, so this is what we have so far. And now we got to get started with the top. So how I did this was I took Shine and Jam and some Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink curling gel, and I put them both on my hands. So this is the Shine and Jam, and then this is the Aunt Jackie's. So now what I'm going to do is get started with the front. So we're going to go back to that part that we originally made. So now I'm just going to clip this part up. This is going to make us 2 braids. So I'm going to part it equally. And for this, I did the block method, meaning every one is blocked. They're staggered in blocks like bricks. So none of them are the same. And his hair is all different lengths, as you can see, so it is a little bit harder. So now that I got this parted off perfectly, I'm going to take Shine and Jam and go like this. And I'm going to comb it back out to make sure it is super smooth. And then I'm going to start the braid. So I'm going to start it in 3, like a regular plait, and then I'm going to braid it and then pull it tighter at the root. And move out any excess hair if you need to. And then I'm going to take the Aunt Jackie's. This is when I use that to make sure it is smooth all the way down. And this is what I mean by his hair is all different lengths, if you can see. I'm going to take some more gel. I know you're not supposed to steal from other sections, but I mean, I really don't have a choice in order to finish the braid. And once I get down here, I basically just put them over each other like this. and then until I can't braid anymore, and then I just take a rubber band and rubber band it. And then you have one braid. And then I'm just going to do the same thing for this section. And right here, that's where his lineup is, and then like it's super short, so I'm gonna try to get it all in. Same thing, shine a gem.
Choose your fighter.
Blakey inspired. Fight.
Choose your fighter.
Blakey inspired. Fight.
Choose your fighter.
Blakey inspired. Fight. knockout. You